How to log into your Steam account on a new PC. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your Steam account on your old PC. Then on your new PC, what you're going to do is get through any sort of browser just like this, and then in your browser simply search for Steam. So after searching for Steam here, you'll be able to see this first link saying welcome to Steam. Simply click on it and then you'll be able to open the steam.com. Then from here you can see the sign in button on the top right here. All you need to do is simply click on sign in, and then after doing that, here all you need to do is add in your account name and the password of your account. So in here you can also like sign in with your QR code if you want. What you can do is simply scan this QR code via your mobile app and then simply log into your account too. So in here, if you want your Steam application on your PC, you can also like install the Steam on your PC by clicking on this button right here and going along with the process of installing Steam, right? So like I said, add in your account name and the password of your account, and all you need to do is click on sign in, and just like this you will successfully be signed in or logged into your Steam account. So that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.